Hey you, are you currently sitting at home thinking about all the things you'd like to do at the gym? Do you try to work out in your own home but become distracted by funny and sexual YouTube videos?
As you get better, lift one leg up, and as it tires, alternate legs. And simply bounce. Holding it there. And just simply bounce. When you get to a more advanced degree, you can lift both legs up and put your body in.
Were you using your wife as a weight and then dropped her, and now you're banished in the basement to do burpees because she won't talk to you? If any of these apply to you, you could be suffering from HomeWorkoutItus. If so, talk to your doctor today about our revolutionary new drug, Going on a Walk. Going on a walk has been clinically proven to help reduce stress, burn calories, and may even get your wife to talk to you again. Going on a walk is not for everyone. Please make sure to check with your local officials that you have no tigers running around, as going on a walk may increase your risk for tiger-related deaths. Always be on the lookout for those pesky tigers. Going on a walk is not liable for any tiger-related injuries or deaths. Side effects may include blisters on your husband's feet because he insists on wearing Jordans to flex on the 12-year-old next door. Side effects may also include aggressive chafing and husbands complaining that we have walked entirely too far. Another side effect of going on a walk will be wives gleefully showing their Apple Watches to their husbands to show that they have closed all their circles. If you or a loved one is suffering from home workoutitis, contact your doctor today.